This is Taylor Indoor and Outdoor Decorative 13.25 inches thermometer. This is kind of lightweight, less than half a pound, and it's indoor, outdoor, so it's weather sealed. Let's take it out. The cover is plastic, kind of pretty hard. The number is very easy to read, and the bigger number is Fahrenheit, and the inside there's a Celsius. Number is very bold, so you can see from far. And let's turn it back. On the back, they need to be anchored by 2 screws, so it's best to hang on the wall or deck or fence. And here is a dial. If you find it not accurate, just turn the dial, it will adjust it. And this is a weather seal. It's holding by 3 plastic clips. It still kind of maybe leak if you really put it outside, if you got a lot of rain. And I think that's better to seal it by yourself. Just use some caulking or silicone. That'll be great, perfect. And it says do not place it under the direct sunlight. Alright, I'm going to put it into my greenhouse. Hopefully this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.